If you've ever wanted to learn the secrets of financial success and live the life you've always desired, you've come to the perfect spot. Today, we're venturing into the area of personal finance and presenting 7 effective tricks for getting rich quickly. Do watch the video till the end, as the last trick is the most important one. Now let's start. 1. Save for retirement. Starting early might make this the most straightforward approach to make money. All you have to do is create a retirement account, such a Roth IRA or a 401k where you work, and put money into it every time you are paid. Start early and contribute as much as is permitted. Example, the maximum permitted contribution to a Roth IRA or 401k to optimize your earning potential. Like any long-term investment, your potential returns are higher the longer it takes for profits to compound. You'll be well on your way to becoming a billionaire if you choose your assets well, put a significant amount of your income toward them, and have time on your side. 2. Live within your means. You might choose to live in a smaller home with a 1995 Honda Civic or a larger home with 4,000 square feet and a large SUV. The first option can help you keep up with the Jones, but the second one will help you become wealthy. To enable you to save for the future, keep your living costs firmly within your means. Even after becoming affluent, many people opt not to show off their wealth. The book The Billionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley is a good choice if you want evidence that doing this may make you a billionaire. 2. Live within your means. You might choose to live in a smaller home with a 1995 Honda Civic or a larger home with 4,000 square feet and a large SUV. The second option can help you keep up with the Jones, but the first one will help you become wealthy. To enable you to save for the future, keep your living costs firmly within your means. Even after becoming affluent, many people opt not to show off their wealth. The book The Billionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley is a good choice if you want evidence that doing this may make you a billionaire. 3. Generate additional income. You may become a billionaire by starting a full-time business out of a side business concept or by earning additional money to put toward your savings. Let's imagine, for illustration purposes, that you work a second job and make $10,000 per year, investing all of your earnings for 10 years. It would become $675,214 if you let it grow for another 20 years, and it yields 8% annually on investment. Freelance writing, web design, dog and child care, teaching, and selling goods on Etsy are a few options to supplement your income. If you want to know more earning tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. 4. Invest wisely. Investing may be frightening, especially if you have never done it before. It's essential to recognize right away that while investment can help you become very wealthy, it can also help others become very wealthy. To put it another way, look for inexpensive investments, particularly if you're young and have time on your side. Your yearly earnings may be reduced by 2% or more as a result of high brokerage fees or ongoing investment costs. Although it might not seem like much, doing so would reduce your earnings in the previous example from $500,000 to $422, $726, a loss of $252, $488, or 37%. Call them and ask for recommendations if you intend to create an account with a business like Vanguard or Charles Schwab. They may assist you in choosing appropriate investments depending on your age, anticipated retirement age, and long-term financial objectives. For instance, they were able to walk me through the whole process of setting up a rollover IRA with Vanguard last year and make me feel at ease and secure in my investment decisions. 5. Pursue your education. A professional of some kind, such as a physician, attorney, or accountant, makes up around 25% of billionaires. These well-paying occupations all need for extensive schooling. But before you graduate with a mountain of student loan debt, be sure you have a clever plan for financing your education. That's all for this video. If you learned something new, then hit the subscribe button to know more financial tricks. Also press the like button in addition. Share this video to all of your friends and let me know in the comments that whether you are left with any questions or not. Thank you for watching.